Hi everyone and welcome back to the ABC Trainerize YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a game changer for gym and fitness studios looking to diversify their revenue and acquire new gym members. So if you're a gym owner or a manager, this is a video you don't want to miss. So today we're going to discuss gym affiliate programs. First, we'll discuss how you can earn money through third-party affiliate marketing programs, and then we'll talk about how you can implement an affiliate program to encourage referrals to your gym. We have a little bit of experience with this one at ABC Trainerize. We all want to earn more revenue, and luckily there are tons of great strategies out there that you can take to earn more from the members that you already have at your gym. There are a lot of strategies that you can implement to gain new members too. But today we're going to talk about a type of revenue that literally everyone is talking about lately: passive income. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you a course like a lot of those influencers. Today we're talking about affiliate marketing revenue. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? When you go shopping, how do you personally research brands? For myself, I look for recommendations. So for example, if I needed a dress for an event, I'd ask my friend who's really into fashion, or I would ask my friend with glowing skin about what product she uses in her skincare routine, or anything fitness related. I would go to my personal trainer or my gym friends. Most consumers want recommendations from people and businesses that they trust. That's exactly how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing taps into the trust and power of personal recommendations to sell high quality products. Many industries use it, and it is as simple as it is effective for fitness professionals. For example, say you find a product that you really like, you sign up for their affiliate program, and you promote their products in your gym or on your social media and website. Then every time that a sale gets made through your unique affiliate link, you'll earn a set commission rate. This can work super well for your gym or studio because you get the freedom to choose products you believe in and earn recurring commissions that complement your core revenue. You also get to recommend products that you love, and your members get to purchase them from trusted brands. It's a total win-win and strategically savvy for both your gym and the brands that you promote. So next I'm going to share a list of some examples of affiliate marketing partners that you could potentially use in your gym. So number one in the general health product space is the Onnit affiliate program. Onnit is a wellness brand that offers a diverse range of fitness products, including supplements, equipment, and apparel. Because they're known for their quality and innovation, they attract a really loyal customer base, making them a great choice for fitness affiliates. As an affiliate, you can earn 15% commission on all sales through your referral link, as well as performance-based incentives and bonuses. So number two on the list in the nutrition and supplement space is MyProtein. The MyProtein affiliate program is perfect for personal trainers and gym owners who are into sports nutrition. You can promote top quality protein powders and supplements that fit your clients' health goals. And because many gym goers really want to try these products but sometimes don't know where to start, it's a perfect opportunity to recommend high quality products and make a little extra revenue in return. In order to promote their products, you could easily share a story about a client who used a MyProtein supplement in their nutrition plan to help them hit their protein goals, and then share the link to that exact product. They offer a huge range of products as well as an attractive commission rate, which is great. The only downside is that you'll probably want at least a little bit of nutritional expertise to recommend the products effectively. So number three, fitness equipment, specifically TRX. Since they're such a well-known brand in fitness, TRX is great for targeting those functional training enthusiasts, and as an affiliate, you could easily earn commissions by promoting this functional gear, for example, by sharing purchase links in a workout video or tutorial. This works especially well if you use TRX products in your gym or studio. So number four is fitness tech, and we're going to talk about Garmin here. Biotracking is all the rage these days, and Garmin is a huge player in that field. The Garmin affiliate program specifically lets you earn commissions by promoting Garmin products on your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media. And it's perfect for those fitness enthusiasts and trainers, and really anyone who's interested in data-driven training. With Garmin, you'll get a referral link to track sales, plus banner ads and text links to help you boost your earnings. So last but certainly not least, we're going to talk about fitness software, ABC Trainerize's own affiliate program. So did you know that you can also earn money by helping us spread the word about ABC Trainerize? For every new paid subscriber who uses your referral link, you'll earn a 15% recurring commission on that subscription, including monthly, annual plans, and add-ons. So if you're interested in creating your very own affiliate program, then keep watching. So another way that you can use an affiliate strategy is by offering affiliate revenue to members and partners who recommend your gym. Just like we do at ABC Trainerize, you can incentivize referrals and encourage word of mouth by offering a commission. This allows you to utilize the networks of others to promote your gym and build a powerful group of advocates. For your gym, affiliate marketing is a cost-effective way to market your services because you only have to pay out when a sale is made. To start, you're going to need to define your goals and your commission structure, decide how much you can pay out and for how long, and then create a record of these terms that you can refer back to. You'll then have to figure out the technical elements of how to track and pay out commissions, and you might need an affiliate program, tool, or software to drive this element of the program. After that, you'll be ready to promote both to your customer base and to your network and industry partners. If you're now feeling inspired to diversify your gym's revenue streams, then we're super happy to hear that. Like many business initiatives, affiliate marketing and affiliate programs do take some time to set up in the upfront, but over time, trust me, you will reap the benefits. So if you're ready to take your gym's personal training to the next level or starting earning affiliate revenue from the ABC Trainerize affiliate program, start with a free trial of ABC Trainerize for your gym or your studio. You can actually go ahead and click the link in the description to get started on expanding your client relationships beyond the four walls of your gym. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your fitness business, and we'll see you next time.